Okay, so in this video, we're going to see how we're going to multiply a decimal number with a 10 and 100 or 100. And this is going to be a simple method through which you can calculate what the answer is going to be. And similarly, what happens when we divide by 10 or 100? Again, this is again going to be a simple way to calculate what the answer is going to be. So, okay, let's start. So when you're multiplying a decimal number with 10, you look at the number of zeros that you have in the number that you're multiplying with. If it's 10, then there's 1 0. Then what happens is the decimal moves one location, uh, one number to the right? So it moves from 7.16 to 71.6. So you look at the number of zeros, there's 1 0 here, and that means there's going to be one jump. In this number, there are two zeros in 100. There are two zeros, and you're multiplying it with 32.43. So in this case, there are going to be two jumps. One jump, and the other one takes it to this point. So it becomes 3243.0. Doesn't mean anything, so we don't put that here. So it becomes 3243. Now look at this question. 61.7 multiplied by 10. Since you're multiplying it with 10, which has a single zero, therefore there's going to be how many jumps? One jump. So this becomes 617. And let's go to the next question. 35.46 multiplied by 100. So 100 has two zeros, so there are going to be two jumps, one jump and two jumps. So this becomes 3546.0. So I'm not writing 0.0, so this becomes 3546. Similarly, when you're dividing a decimal number by 10, the decimal does move, but it doesn't move towards the right. It doesn't move towards the right, it moves towards the left. In this situation, it moves towards the right when you're multiplying it with 10 or with 100. But when you're dividing it by a 10, 100, whatever, 1000, the decimal is going to move to the left. So in this case, it is going to move here. Then what's the number going to become? It's going to become 0.716. Similarly, in this question, we are dividing it by 100. 32.43 is being divided by 100, so that means two jumps. 100 has two zeros, so two jumps. So this is 0.3243. And 61.7 divided by 10 is going to be one jump. This becomes 6.17. And lastly, 35.46 divided by 100, again two jumps. 100 has two zeros, so there are going to be two jumps. 0.3546. Hope that was understandable.